Today, I'm going to share with you 10 simple daily habits that, when done consistently, will make you speak English more naturally and fluently, almost like magic. But here is the thing, there is no magic potion, just smart, practical strategies you can start using right now. Our first habit is simple but incredibly powerful. Listen to English every single day. Now, why is this crucial? Think about how babies learn. They don't start by speaking, they listen. They listen for months before they say their first word. Your brain works the same way. Your ears need to get familiar with the sounds, the rhythm, the accent of English. You don't need to dedicate hours, even 10 minutes a day makes a massive difference. Here's what you can do: listen to English music, or listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, or even short audio clips. Think of it as a warm up for your ears. No pressure, no judgment, just consistent exposure. Habit number 2 is one of my personal favorites: shadow speaking. Now, what does shadowing mean? It's when you listen to someone speaking English and then you immediately repeat what you hear. You are trying to match their speed, their pronunciation, their intonation, everything. It's like singing along to your favorite song, except with speaking. Now, why does this work? Because your mouth needs training, like any muscle. When you shadow, you're training the muscles in your mouth to make English sounds correctly. Your brain connects the sounds you are hearing with how your mouth moves to produce those sounds. You are building muscle memory for English speech. Habit number 3 might sound too simple. Just learn 1 to 3 new words every single day. Wait, only 3 words? That seems small, right? That's exactly the point. Many people try to memorize 20 new words every day, get overwhelmed, forget them, and then give up. That's not sustainable. But 3 words, that's manageable. That's doable every single day without burning out. The key here is quality over quantity. For each word, learn its meaning, how to pronounce it, and write down a sentence using it in context. This helps you remember not just the word, but how to actually use it. Now, here's habit 4, and this one is a game changer. Think in English throughout your day. Not all the time at first, just for simple moments. You are sitting in a coffee shop in Bangalore, and instead of thinking in Hindi or Bengali or whatever your native language is, think in English. Look at the cup on the table. This is a blue cup. The coffee is hot. I'm enjoying this moment. Start with simple observations. Describe what you see, what you are doing, what you are feeling. Why is this powerful? Because most learners make one critical mistake. They think in their native language first, then translate to English before speaking. This translation step makes your speech slow and unnatural. You sound robotic. You sound hesitant. When you train yourself to think in English, you are building a direct pathway from thought to English. No translation, no delay, just pure, fluent thought becoming fluent speech. Habit 5 builds on thinking in English, but it's more active. Talk to yourself out loud. Yes, really, speak English to yourself. Find a space where you are alone. Your bedroom, the bathroom, the car, even outside if no one's nearby. Start having a full conversation with yourself. Describe the entire day out loud. Talk about your plans, your feelings, your goals. Pretend you are talking to a friend. What are the benefits? First, you build confidence. Second, you practice forming sentences in real time without the fear of judgment. And third, you practice word retrieval. It's like rehearsing for real conversations. You're training your mind to produce English on demand. Describe what you ate for breakfast. I had toast and egg this morning. The eggs were delicious. I also drank chai. It's that simple. Habit 6 is read a little bit every single day. Now, many learners, they think they have to read heavy novels or complicated textbook. That's not the goal here. In fact, that's the opposite of what we want. The keyword is a little, 5 to 10 minutes, nothing more, and choose materials that aren't too difficult. Here's what you can read: short news articles, simple blog posts, short stories, social media captions on Instagram or Facebook posts, Twitter threads. These are usually short, conversational, and use everyday vocabulary. Now, habit number 7: write a short journal entry every day, just 3 to 4 minutes. Not a novel, not even a paragraph, just 3 or 4 sentences. That's all. This is perfect because it's not overwhelming. You can do this every single day without any stress. What should you write about? Your day, your feelings, what you learned, something you observed, anything. Habit number 8 is about mindset. Review and learn from your mistakes. Here is the truth that nobody tells learners. Mistakes are your best teachers. If you are making mistakes, it means you are trying, you are experimenting, you are pushing yourself. That's exactly what you should be doing. Many learners are paralyzed by the fear of being wrong. They stay silent, they don't speak, they don't write, and guess what? They never improve because they are not practicing. Habit 9 is direct. Speak with a language partner or use a language app. Here is the reality. You need real speaking practice, all the listening, thinking, journaling. That's all foundation work. But ultimately, you need to actually speak English with other people. Now, habit number 10, the most important one: enjoy English every day. Here is something nobody talks about in language learning. Enjoyment is essential. If you're not enjoying the process, you won't sustain it. You will quit, and quitting guarantees no progress. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep enjoying, keep speaking. This is Shaz. Good luck with your English journey.